Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate DoorDash free Chase Sapphire. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and activate your free DoorDash from your Chase Sapphire. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to DoorDash. Next, click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner, then click on Settings, and then click on Manage Dash Pass. So this is where you're going to enter your Chase Sapphire Reserve card information so that you can get Dash Pass from Chase Sapphire. Afterwards, if you go ahead and add an item to your cart and then click on View Cart, then click on Continue, scroll down, and you can see that you have this toggle on and off button to get $5 off with your Chase monthly benefit. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and activate your DoorDash free Chase Sapphire. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.